Hi guys, this is Honduran Caucasian with lovely hair today. My name is Angie, and as you can see, my hair is looking really bad right now. I need to wash it. It's been a week, so I'm going to review the DevaCurl products. I'm going to review the shampoo, the deep conditioner, the stylers, basically all of it. So if you want to know what my thoughts are of the DevaCurl products and the line in general, be sure to keep watching and remember to subscribe.
Time can never break your heart, but it'll take the pain away. Right now, our future's certain. I won't let it fade away.
Of course, when you first start off your wash day, you're going to either pre-poo or you're just going to go straight into co-wash or shampoo. So I'm going to start off with my kind of a little bias on this because I do use this all the time, so this kind of influenced my decision to make the review of these products. But this is the DevaCurl Build-Up Buster. This is my favorite. I got it off Amazon, of course, because this is too expensive for the size in general. It's like over $80, and I'm not spending that coin. So I bought it for like $30-something on Amazon, and it only made sense. So I'm gonna go start off, and I'll go wet my hair. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go straight into the DevaCurl Build-Up Buster like I said I was. So I grab about one pump to start off with, and the pumps are pretty generous. This shampoo is actually pretty unique because it's the first shampoo that does include micellar water, and it is a micellar water cleansing serum that is $28 for 8 ounces, and it does attract dirt like a magnet with its micellar water properties to gently remove buildup from the scalp and hair. Unlike traditional clarifying shampoos that contain harsh ingredients, the powerful cleanser won't strip the hair, plus it contains Abyssinian seed oil and jojoba to deliver moisture, shine, and head-turning bounce. For this product, the directions say to wet curls in the shower. Use the pointed tip to target the scalp, massage all over, and work it through the mid-lengths and ends. Rinse thoroughly by massaging as the water runs through the curls. Be sure to follow with a DevaCurl conditioner or treatment to seal in moisture, and use weekly or as needed in place of your regular cleanser. I've just finished shampooing. I'm going to go rinse this out. I'm going to do a hot oil treatment with our Red Shoes Hair Rex oil, and then I'll rinse that out and I'll come back to apply the deep conditioner after the hot oil treatment. So I will be right back.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so I just rinsed out the shampoo, or not the shampoo, I just rinsed out the shampoo and the hot oil treatment, and my hair is tangled, of course. So I brought it into quads, kind of, and now I'm going to go in with the newer hair mask that they have, which is the DevaCurl Welcome to Moisture. A while ago, I did mix in a deep seaweed repair mask that they came out along with this one at the same time. So there is a mixture between the both in it, but there is not a lot of the deep seaweed repair in this mask. This is what it looks like in the bottle, or at the bottom of the jar. It is a mint green color, and it honestly smells amazing. I don't think I've ever smelled a deep conditioner like this one, to be honest with you, and you really do not have to use a lot. From the beginning, I was using a lot because I'm very heavy-handed with products, but with this one, you barely have to use a lot. So I'm applying it onto wet hair, and I do not use this that often because it is very, very expensive. Like, I'm talking about $36. Like, I know, it's expensive. So I only use it most likely when I color my hair and I need a quick pick-me-up for it, then I will use this product, of course, but I only use this when I color my hair, or for this special occasion when I'm reviewing this product, of course I will use it. This is what it's looking like. It's really getting all the tangles out. So I'm just using my diamond brush. It is gliding right through this. On Ulta.com, this matcha butter conditioning mask is $36 for 8 ounces, and it is a magical elixir for dehydrated curls. This buttery texture won't weigh hair down, but it melts into every strand, infusing hair with moisturizing matcha green tea butter, vitamin-packed sweet almond oil, as well as protective beetroot extract. The rich formula leaves all curl types shiny, silky soft, and completely transformed. For this mask, there are 3 ways to use it. For a quick moisture boost, apply after cleansing and let sit for 3 minutes. Need more intensive hydration? Cover hair with plastic cap for 15 to 20 minutes with or without heat. And then for maximum moisture, you can leave it on overnight. Rinse thoroughly, use once a week or as needed. So it has been 20 minutes, I believe 25 or 20 minutes since I just put the deep conditioner in. I put my hot head on, I've left it in, and now I'm about to rinse it out. And once I rinse it out, I'm going to go with two products. Now, some people don't like using the Believe-In together, not together, alone. So I have heard lots of recommendations to use these two together. So this is the DevaCurl Coconut Super Cream, and this is the DevaCurl Believe-In. I'm going to start off with this one, which is the Curl Cream, and then I'm going to go on with this one, which is the Curling Jelly. I will not seal in or anything. I will just use these two products and call it a day and see how my hair looks afterwards. So I'm going to go rinse this out, and then I'll be back to apply these stylers.
A few moments later.
So I just detangled my hair after I rinsed it out and everything. If you hear a bell, that's because of my cat. So I have my hair fully detangled, and now I'm going to go in with the Super Cream by DevaCurl. It's the coconut cream styler. So I'm going to start off with a tiny bit. So it does smell like straight up artificial coconut, but it smells really, really good. The Super Cream is $28 for 5.1 ounces, and it does everything. The rich coconut oil infused styler gives you total freedom to express yourself with your curls, whether you want to smooth, soften, shape, lengthen, moisturize, define, control, boost volume, twist out, tame frizz, add shine, or switch up your look. Super Cream does it all. With Super Cream, the directions say that less is more. If your curls are fine to medium, rub the product between your palms and smooth over your curls. If your hair is thick, apply it in sections for thorough coverage. To lengthen curls, apply to wet hair in a downward motion. And to get a tousled, airy look, apply it to damp hair and shake at the root once dry to boost curls. I'm going to go in with the DevaCurl Believe-In. According to the DevaCurl website, this product is 6 ounces for $20, and it is a lightweight jelly that contains a conditioning and strengthening blend of wheat protein, lemongrass, and chamomile. The moisturizing formula adds instant shine, volume, and plumpness to curls. The directions say to rub between your palms and apply generously to wet or damp curls, and glide the product downwards to elongate or scrunch into hair in an upward motion to add body and to play up your natural texture. I'm going to go on to the other side. So it is very curly and everything, and it feels very light and airy, so let's see how this goes. But I'm going to go plait my hair, and I'm going to do that with my wig cap, but I'm probably going to have to insert a picture of what my hair looks like right over here, because the sun literally has to play games with me when I don't still have a ring light. So I'm going to put a picture right over here. So this is what my hair looks like once it's dry. I'm going to give it 4 stars because although it does have amazing ingredients, it has a 50-50 chance that it will or will not fade my hair color. So that's why I'm giving it 4 stars, because it's a oddball with that. But besides that, it does make all its promises true. It gently removes buildup from the hair and scalp, and it also has amazing ingredients, and it does not dry my hair out at all. So I give this mask 5 stars, although it hurts my heart a lot because it is so expensive. But this is honestly one of the best masks that I've used during this time and throughout my journey. Honestly, it feels like you're applying butter to your hair. It's so smooth when you apply it. You barely have to use a lot, and it smells amazing. And it's honestly one of the best masks that I've used. And if you have the coin to spend and splurge on this product, then I really honestly recommend it. Although they smelled amazing, I do not recommend them at all. Maybe I tried the wrong combination for my hair, or I tried the wrong products for my hair type, but honestly I was not here for them at all. I feel like you can just, if you want to splurge, buy the conditioning treatments or the shampoos, but the stylers, they were not for me. It smelled amazing, but it did not give me any curl, barely any definition, and barely any volume, so I'm going to give them both 2 stars. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to comment down below if you've ever tried DevaCurl products, and if you have, which products did you try, and let me know also if you liked it or not. And also be sure to subscribe to see more content stuff for guys in the future, and be sure to hit the notification button down below so you notify every single time I upload a new video. I upload every Sunday. And also be sure to share the video with your friends if you enjoy it, and remember to wear your crown, not found, stay beautiful, and love you guys. Bye.